We love our gadgets, they make life easier and food tastier, but even the shiniest new appliance needs a little TLC, especially those dealing with hot oil and crispy coatings. I'm talking about deep fryers and air fryers. These kitchen workhorses can become, well, less than appetizing if not cared for properly. Neglecting cleaning leads to built-up grease. This affects the flavor of your food. It can even pose safety hazards. Nobody wants a kitchen fire. Trust me on that one. Cleaning your fryer isn't just about aesthetics. It directly impacts the quality of your food. A clean fryer means crispy fries, not greasy disappointments. It also means a safer cooking environment. Regular cleaning also extends the life of your appliance. That's just good economics. Plus, a clean kitchen simply feels good. It's a reflection of a well-run ship, so to speak. Before you start scrubbing, gather your cleaning supplies. You'll need rubber gloves, dish soap, baking soda, white vinegar, non-abrasive sponges, paper towels, and an old toothbrush for those hard-to-reach spots. Having everything at arm's reach makes the process smoother. And remember, safety first. Always unplug your fryer before cleaning. Deep fryers with their vats of oil can seem intimidating to clean. The thought of dealing with all that grease and the various parts can be overwhelming. However, with a systematic approach, you can make the process much more manageable and even straightforward. But don't worry, it's a straightforward process. If you follow these steps, you'll have a clean fryer in no time. Let's break it down into manageable parts. 1. Preparation. First and foremost, ensure the fryer is turned off and unplugged. Let the fryer cool completely. Safety first, always. This step is crucial to avoid any burns or accidents. Drain the oil into a heat-safe container. Make sure the container can withstand the temperature of the oil. You can reuse the oil if it's still good or dispose of it properly if it's not. 2. Disassembly. Remove the fryer basket, lid, and any other detachable parts. This will make it easier to clean each component thoroughly. Check your fryer's manual for specific instructions on disassembly. 3. Washing. Wash these parts with hot soapy water. Use a mild detergent to cut through the grease. Make sure to scrub all surfaces, including the nooks and crannies where oil can accumulate. Use a non-abrasive sponge to avoid scratching. Scratches can harbor bacteria and make future cleaning more difficult. Be gentle but thorough. For stubborn grease, sprinkle baking soda and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. Baking soda is a natural abrasive and deodorizer, making it perfect for this job. 4. Reassembly. Rinse all parts thoroughly and dry them completely before putting the fryer back together. Any leftover soap or water can affect the taste of your food or cause the oil to splatter. Remember, water and electricity don't mix. Be cautious when cleaning around the electrical components of the fryer. It's best to keep these areas as dry as possible. Be extra careful when cleaning the heating element. This part is delicate and essential for the fryer's operation. Avoid using too much water or harsh chemicals. It's usually best to just wipe it down with a damp cloth. Make sure the cloth is not too wet to prevent any water from seeping into the electrical components. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble your fryer and it's ready for use again. Air fryers are generally easier to clean than deep fryers. Unlike deep fryers, which require you to deal with large quantities of oil, air fryers use hot air to cook food, making the cleaning process much simpler and less messy. However, this doesn't mean you can neglect regular maintenance. Keeping your air fryer clean ensures it operates efficiently and extends its lifespan. But they still require regular attention. Over time, food particles and grease can build up, affecting the performance and taste of your food. Regular cleaning prevents this buildup and keeps your air fryer in top condition. First, let the air fryer cool completely. This is crucial for safety and to avoid damaging the appliance. Unplug the air fryer and wait for it to reach room temperature. This usually takes about 30 minutes, but it can vary depending on the model and how long it was in use. Remove the basket and any other detachable parts. Most air fryers have a removable basket and tray, which makes cleaning much easier. Check your user manual to see which parts are detachable and dishwasher safe. Next, soak the basket and other parts in hot soapy water for about 30 minutes. This helps to loosen any food particles and grease that may be stuck on. If your air fryer parts are dishwasher safe, you can also place them in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. This will loosen any stuck-on food particles. After soaking, use a non-abrasive sponge or brush to gently scrub away any remaining residue. Be careful not to use anything too harsh. as it can damage the non-stick coating on the basket. Then, wipe down the interior of the air fryer with a damp cloth. The interior can accumulate grease and food particles over time, so it's important to clean it regularly. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials, as they can damage the interior surface. For stubborn stains, make a paste of baking soda and water. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that can help to lift tough stains without damaging the surface. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a thick paste. Apply it to the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, then gently scrub it away. Use a soft brush or cloth to scrub the paste into the stain. After a few minutes, wipe away the paste with a damp cloth. This should remove most stubborn stains and leave your air fryer looking clean and fresh. Finally, rinse all parts thoroughly and dry completely before reassembling the air fryer. Make sure there is no soap residue left on the parts, as this can affect the taste of your food. Dry all parts completely to prevent any moisture from causing rust or damage, and don't forget to clean the heating element at the top of the air fryer. The heating element can accumulate grease and food particles, which can affect the performance of your air fryer. Use a damp cloth to gently wipe it down, being careful not to damage it. A quick wipe down will do the trick. Regular maintenance and cleaning will keep your air fryer in top condition, ensuring it continues to cook your food perfectly every time. Happy cooking! Even with regular cleaning, you might encounter stubborn grease or burnt-on food. These tough spots can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can get your fryer looking like new again. Here's how to tackle those tough spots effectively and efficiently, using common household items and a bit of elbow grease. First, make a paste of baking soda and water. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can help lift away grime without scratching surfaces. Apply it to the greasy area, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub away. The paste will break down the grease, making it easier to remove. Next, vinegar is a natural degreaser. Its acidic properties help to cut through grease and grime effectively. Fill your fryer with a solution of equal parts water and vinegar. This mixture will help to loosen any remaining grease and make it easier to clean. Bring it to a simmer for a few minutes, then let it cool completely before scrubbing and rinsing. The heat will help to activate the vinegar, making it even more effective. For really stubborn grime, let the affected parts soak overnight in a solution of hot, soapy water and baking soda. This extended soaking time allows the solution to penetrate deeply and break down the toughest grime. Remember, always test any cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't damage your fryer's finish. This step is crucial to avoid any unwanted damage to your appliance. After cleaning, wipe down the fryer with a clean, damp cloth to remove any residue. This final step ensures that your fryer is not only clean but also safe to use for your next cooking session. With these tips, you can keep your fryer in top condition, ready to tackle any cooking challenge. Regular maintenance and proper cleaning techniques will extend the life of your appliance and ensure it performs at its best. Store your clean fryer in a dry, safe place to prevent any future buildup of grime. A well-maintained fryer not only looks good, but also functions more efficiently, making your cooking experience more enjoyable. Happy cooking! With a clean fryer, you can focus on creating delicious meals for you and your loved ones without worrying about stubborn grime. Besides regular cleaning, a few maintenance hacks can keep your fryer in tip-top shape. First, line your air fryer basket with parchment paper or foil to catch crumbs and prevent sticking. Next, avoid overcrowding the fryer basket. This ensures even cooking and prevents splattering. After every use, wipe down the interior of your fryer to prevent grease buildup. Even with regular wiping, aim for a deep clean at least once a month depending on your usage. These simple habits will keep your fryer running smoothly for years to come. Cleaning your deep fryer or air fryer might seem like a chore, but trust me, it's a small price to pay for delicious, crispy food and a safe, efficient kitchen. Remember, regular maintenance is key. A little effort goes a long way in extending the life of your appliance and ensuring top-notch cooking performance. Now go forth and fry with confidence.